I will also share my journey with all of you. How did I learn English? This is the most important question asked by many people. How did you learn English? And I told you, I was a student, I am a student, and I will be a student, inshallah. Now listen to me. When I share my journey with all of you, inshallah, my journey will inspire you. That's how did I learn English. It will inspire you. So watch this video till end. And English is really easier, just like a piece of cake. Try to speak. This is not our mother tongue. Make a lot of mistakes. Forget about the people, what will they say. Just learn English and make mistakes. So I want to share my journey with all of you. When I was just a kid, like before nursery, I'm talking about, my own life. I had no idea that one day I would be speaking English in front of so many people. I still remember those early days when I used to sit quietly in a corner while my elder brother taught students in our guest room. I began learning English with some simple words, this, that, he, she, and I was learning day by day. I used to sit with my brother's students in our guest room and bravely try to speak English with them. I made a lot of mistakes, but I never felt ashamed. Do you know why? Because my brother was there, motivating me, correcting me, and telling me that do not think about your mistakes. A time will come that you will learn English. Once you will make mistake, twice, thrice. I am responsible, and inshallah you will see a time will come that you should be able to speak English fluently. When I was a student of class 3rd, I never imagined that one day I would be running my own English language academy. It was a dream, right? I never imagined. Then when I was a student of class 4th, so I started teaching to my friends. Yeah, I was teaching and they were giving me 200, 300, some of them 500, right? My story is really interesting. Just listen. After that, when I was a student of class 5th, I still remember with the best of time, I was teaching around about 35 students in our guest room. They were coming to my guest room and some of them were giving me 1,000, 500, 800. And I was going to be happy because 35 students and I was teaching them over there in our guest room. So it was a milestone for me. After that, when I was a student of class 9th, I started teaching from home to home. Do you know, when you will go somewhere else to teach someone, definitely they will have to give you a proper amount. So I started teaching from home to home. After metric, I stepped into the private institutes and mashallah, I gained a lot of experience. Now, alhamdulillah, after FSC, I have my own English language academy, my own vision and thought. Are you getting my point? So, that small spot turned into a boy who struggled with this and that is now teaching others. Shukr, alhamdulillah. I have a lot of students. If I talk about my students, some of them are from Saudi Arabia, Abu Dhabi, Germany, Belgium, Indonesia, China, everywhere, alhamdulillah, I have students and I'm 20 years old. I'm so thankful to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, right? So I just want to say to you guys that if a boy from a small town can do this, you can too. Just believe in yourself. I was learning one word a day. He, she, this, that, steadily, slowly, no magic, no shortcuts, just pure consistency. You will have to speak English everywhere, every day, every time. Make a lot of mistakes. And I told you there was my brother. He was motivating me to make a lot of mistakes. And I'm going to motivate you today. Make a lot of mistakes. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the Holy Quran that يُرِيدُ اللَّهُ وَيُخَفِّفَ عَنْكُمْ وَخُلِقَ الْإِنسَانُ ضَعِيفًا. Human is humble. Human will make a lot of mistakes. So that's why I'm saying to you guys that you should make a lot of mistakes. Do not think about it. What will people say? If I'm speaking English in front of camera, right? Oh, I'll make mistake. Then some guys will do negative comments. They'll write this and that. Forget about it. Just try to speak, upload, learn something from your mistakes. Sure. Because if you do not make mistakes, how will you learn English? This is also a question. Without making mistakes, how will you learn English? So this is the most important point for all of you, that make mistakes, improve. We all are students actually. I told you knowledge looks like an ocean and we all are students in this ocean, okay? We will have to swim till judgment day. There is no island to take risk. Is there any island to take risk in the ocean of knowledge? No, you will have to swim, right? There is no island.